everyone, welcome back to our channel Learn English with DS. We are back with another useful video. Today we have brought you all some words which sound same in their meanings, and we are going to serve you with the difference among those words. So without delay, let's get started. The words are say, tell, speak and talk. First, we are going to see the difference between say and tell. Say and tell are irregular verbs. The past form of say is said and the past form of tell is told. There is a little difference in using these words. First, say focuses on the word and tell focuses on the content or the message. For example, hello, she said. You cannot use told in the same way. Hello, she told. It is wrong. The example for using tell or told is she told him they were going on holiday. We use say in direct speech. The manager said, I'm not going to refund the money. We do not use tell in this way. Tell normally comes with an indirect object, that is, one or more people. The examples are, I told her why it happened. The boy told us he didn't want any money. Whereas, say does not take any indirect object. For example, she said, I don't know what you mean. It is wrong to use she said me, I don't know what you mean. Instead, you can use as I am in a hurry. He said to me, not he said me. Sometimes we use tell without an indirect object with the words such as the truth, a lie, a joke, a story. For example, you should never tell a lie. My grandpa tells bedtime stories. Kevin is good at telling jokes. Now we are going to see the words speak and talk. The past form of speak is spoke and the past form of talk is talked. The verbs speak and talk generally mean say words, but there are small differences. Speak is more formal than talk. For example, I need to speak to you. This may occur in a formal setting and the speaker does not know you very well, and they might have to say something important. The another example is I need to talk to you. This occurs in an informal setting when you want to say something to your friend or the person you have known. Speak is used in formal presentations and lectures, and talk is used for informal ones. For example, Dr. Kevin will speak about the history of the region. Lisha will talk about her strategies to win the game. When we refer to languages, we use speak. Talk cannot be used here. For example, I wish I could speak Italian. Not, I wish I could talk Italian. This is wrong to use. Some more examples are, how many languages do you speak? I can speak German and Spanish. When we focus on conversation, talk is used. Speak is not used here. For example, let us have a talk, said Paul. Here you cannot use speak. It is wrong to use as let us have a speak, said Paul. Some other examples are they can talk and get to know each other. Not they can speak and get to know each other. That's it with today's video. Next, when you use these words, notice the difference and make the change. Hope you all find this video useful. If you like this video, hit the like button, share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Meet you all in another interesting video. Until then, stay safe, stay connected. Bye.